Hey, what's going on, guys? Today's project is going to show you how to install cement board on walls like you're seeing behind me. If you watch this video all the way through, it's going to show you how to hang cement board and secure it with a wall with screws, a couple different ways for cutting the cement board, and finally how to tape the seams so that you're all set for a nice tile installation like this. This is episode 1 in my bathroom remodel series, in which I took a half bathroom and completely converted it into the full bathroom you're seeing now. If you would like to see step by step how I did every single project in this bathroom, I really would appreciate if you subscribe to the channel and also drop a like down below for the YouTube algorithm. Let's get into the video. So before you can actually install the cement board, you got to make sure all your framing and rough-in plumbing is taken care of. There are a ton of different manufacturers of cement board and also various thicknesses, but for this project I used 1/2-inch Durock. Although it comes in 1/4-inch thickness, if you're doing cement board installations on the wall or the ceiling, it's recommended that you only use 1/2-inch or 5/8 inch for extra thickness and durability. Obviously, use as many full sheets as possible and fasten with the specific fasteners every 8 inches on center. The framing is 16 inches on center here, and that's what the manufacturer recommends. The manufacturer recommends a specific screw to fasten the cement board to the studs, manufactured by Versabond. These are zinc-plated screws that resist corrosion, and they also have a sharp serrated tooth that actually goes into the cement board very easily. So you're going to go ahead and install those screws every 8 inches on center as recommended on the walls, being careful not to over-tighten and go too far into the cement board. And here I am just taking care of that there. And go ahead and secure all of your full sheets just like that. And for every cement board project, you're going to need to make a couple cuts for those precision fits. So what I'm using there is a straight edge and a utility knife to kind of mark and score the board. And once you have that done, you really just fold it over on itself and it actually breaks very easily. Then you'll just go and score the crease and you'll be all set with the cut. Using a utility knife is definitely the cleanest cut with the least amount of dust. However, for more precise cuts that have a little bit more geometry involved, I use basically my old jigsaw. This will dull your blade pretty quickly, but for me, it's worth it just to kind of get the more precise cuts. So here I am using that old jigsaw and cutting out the area for the shower niche. So just like before, once you have cut your cement board to the desired dimensions, go ahead and hang it up the same way you did before, mounting it and then securing it with the backer-on screws every 8 inches on center. And here I am making the final adjustments and doing a little dry fitting of the shower niche to make sure we're in good shape before I go ahead and permanently fasten the Durock to the studs with those backer-on screws. And here's a quick look of all the Durock hung up and secured in place. The only step now is to go ahead and tape the seams. So to tape the seams, you're going to need a self-adhesive cement board alkali-resistant mesh tape that Home Depot or Lowe's sells very commonly. And you're going to go ahead and just apply that to every single seam. It's self-adhesive, so it should stick pretty easily. Fold it around the creases as you need and cut with some snippers as needed. As you end one strip of the tape, make sure that the next strip overlaps the previous strip. Once you have the seams taped, go ahead and mix up your mortar. I'm using Versabond, which is basically the cheapest mortar you can buy. Save the expensive mortar for your tile job. Go ahead and mix that up and then apply it to the seams. To apply the thinset to the tape, go ahead and take a putty knife and go ahead and just apply it over the tape, making sure you have good coverage. And then the last step is just to feather it out on both sides so that you don't have a lot of added thickness. So feather it out to make it as thin as possible and make sure that all of the tape is covered. So here I am applying mortar to the rest of the seams, and once you've coated all the seams in mortar, just go ahead and let it dry and your cement board installation is finished. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching the video. If it helped you out, please drop a like down below and also comment if there's any part of this project that you might have done a little bit differently. Next up on this bathroom remodel project, I'm going to go ahead and apply the waterproofing membrane. So please subscribe to the channel if you want to be notified when that next video comes out, and join me on the rest of this bathroom remodel project. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.